Hey my loves, if you want to see how I got this look using these products with finally some Fenty, stick around. Hey everybody, and thank you for stopping by my channel in 2020. It's beautiful Black Weekend, where beauty is ageless. And I am going to start this first video of the year doing my brows. I will be using this product from e.l.f. and we're gonna get these brows into shape. All right, if you're new to my channel is for those who are just learning makeup, love to have fun, the mature woman, actually anybody. I just love makeup, so let's do this. I am no professional, but I usually turn out pretty good. Let's go, baby.
Later.
All right, that is finally done. I am just gonna go in with this clear brow gel to lay these puppies down and keep them in place. All right, I am going to use this Kleancolor eyeshadow primer that I purchased from, I think I purchased it from Miss A, Shop Miss A. And I'm gonna use this to go ahead and prime these eyelids for the eyeshadow. All right, and because I have like the greasiest eyelids, I'm gonna use my Christopher Buckle setting powder to place upon the primer in hopes that I do not look like a big grease pit by the end of the video. All right, for eyeshadow, I'll be using the Aina palette, everybody. Jackie. I love you, Aina. I'm using this color here as the transition color. I got stuck on my words there. And by the way, this color is edges. Get them edges right, ladies. All right, and next I'm gonna go in with Pinker. Next color is Zam. And you guys know I'm not a professional, so I'm still trying to learn where to place the colors. Next, I am going in with Credit. Probably don't need credit, but I wanted to use it, and we'll see what happens. Makeup is a learning process, for reals. All right, and now I'm just gonna go in and blend and make sure that I'm blending, because you always need to blend, right? So let's just blend on. How about that? All right, now I'm just using one of my favorites, my Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette to clean up the eyes. Boom. All right, here I'm just showing you this cute case from e.l.f. that you can store your eyelashes in. All right, to do my lashes, I'm using Lilly Lashes and Callas Lash Glue. Next, for primer, of course, my Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, Soft Matte from Fenty Beauty. I'm so excited to have these products, you guys. You just don't know. All right, and for foundation today, we're using the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This is in 290, Fenty Beauty. All right, and as you can see, I am just using my angled buffing foundation brush from IT Cosmetics to work the product onto my face. All right, I'm just showing you the 3 matchsticks that I purchased from Fenty. And to start, I'm going to use Espresso to contour. All right, and next to highlight, I will be using the French Vanilla, baby. All right, and for blush, I am just showing you that I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Classic Blush 10 Color Blush Palette. All right, and next I'm going to use the BH Studio Pro Contour Palette. All right, so now I'm just getting my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just going to blend everything together, make sure that it looks really nice and, what do I want to say, clean? Make sure that it's not standing out, waving at you. We want the color to be smooth. All right, here I'm just showing you that I'll be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is one of my favorite setting mists. And I actually reach for this one first most times, even though I have several other ones. She is a fave, so I'm just drying her up. And now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty. This is the Kilowatt Foil Sand Castle. Now you guys know I go buck wild when it comes to highlight. I don't know why. I just like the bling bling. Every time you come around my city, bling bling. I love it. I think it is just so pretty. But I'm going to go in behind it with my e.l.f. blending brush and try to take it down just a little bit before you come for me. I'm also going to use the Kilowatt Foil Sandcastle in my tear duct area and below my brow bone. She's so pretty, so pretty. Highlight police, are you happy? I'm trying to take it down just a little bit. All right. All right, next we are going to go in with my Ulta Gel Eyeliner. This is Blackout. And this really is really bold and black. I really love it. And we're gonna rock her out today for the eyes. All right, I'm just going back into my Jackiana palette, and I'm going to use edges and then Zam on the lower lash line. All right, and for my bottom lashes and to blend my lashes to these falsies, I will be using the Lancôme Hypnosis Drama Mascara. This is also a fave that I reach for quite a bit. Almost time for me to get a new one. All right, for lipstick, I'm going to use both of these, I think, from Fenty. Flamingo Acid and Griselda. And let's see how this pops on the lips. I am thinking this may be a little too dark, but for the moment, I'm going to go back in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to get ready to finish this up. Then I'm going to go back and change it a little bit on my lips with the Kiss Me by Live Glam in the color Crush. Over this, I will be using the Gloss Bomb Sweet Mouth. And I think this is it. This is the final product, everybody. All right, we've reached the end. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, come on, join the family and hit that subscribe button. Thank you again, and remember, beauty is ageless. Bye.